Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Sri Ashok Tiwari, learned senior counsel appearing for the appellants, fairly stated that this court may not interfere with the direction given by the learned single judge of the High Court, which has been confirmed by the division bench, because in compliance thereof, the Northern Regional Committee has already granted recognition to the private respondents, and by now they must have admitted students against the sanctioned intake. He, however, argued that the reasons assigned by the learned single judge for striking down the cut-off date specified in Clause 5 of Regulation 5 are legally untenable, and to that extent, the order of the learned single judge and the judgment of the division bench are liable to be set aside. Learned senior counsel emphasized that the cut-off dates have been prescribed for submission of application to the regional committee and communication of the decision regarding grant or refusal of recognition, with a view to ensure that decision on the issue of recognition of the colleges is not unduly delayed, and the students admitted in the recognized institutions are able to fulfill the requirement of attending at least 180 teaching days during the academic session. Learned senior counsel further submitted that the cut-off dates specified in clauses 4 and 5 of Regulation 5 have direct nexus with the object of ensuring time-bound decision of the applications submitted for grant of recognition, so that the teaching and training courses are completed by every institution well before commencement of the examination, and the candidates who fulfill the requirement of attending minimum classes and training courses are able to take examinations. Sri Tiwari then submitted that the 2007 regulations contain a comprehensive mechanism for grant of recognition to eligible applicants for starting courses and for increasing the intake, and the provision for consultation with the concerned state government, union territory administration has been made with a view to ensure that unduly large number of institutions are not granted permission to start the courses, and the state may find it impossible to provide employment to the students successfully completing the courses every year. Learned senior counsel made a pointed reference to letter dated 27/1/2009 sent by Principal Secretary of the Council to the Regional Director, Northern Regional Committee, on the question of grant of recognition for B.Ed courses in the state of Rajasthan for academic session 2009-10, to show that decision was taken by the council not to grant recognition, keeping in view the fact that there was virtually no requirement of trained teachers in the state. In the light of the above discussion, we hold that the cut-off dates specified in clauses 4 and 5 of Regulation 5 of the 2007 regulations, as also the amendment made in Regulation 5 VID notification dated 1/7/2008, are not violative of Article 14 of the Constitution, and the learned single judge and the division bench of the High Court were not right in recording a contrary finding qua the date specified in notification dated 1/7/2008. We further hold that the provisions contained in Section 14 and the regulations framed for grant of recognition, including the requirement of recommendation of the state government, union territory administration, are mandatory, and an institution is not entitled to recognition unless it fulfills the conditions specified in various clauses of the regulations. The Council is directed to ensure that in future no institution is granted recognition unless it fulfills the conditions laid down in the Act and the regulations and the time schedule fixed for processing the application by the regional committees and communication of the decision on the issue of recognition is strictly adhered to. The appeals are disposed of in the manner indicated above. Stop. Thank you.